We've often mentioned the possessive words mo, do, my, your, his and her, and their plurals ar, our, ur, your and un, their. And we know that mo, do and all unite the next word. They also appear in two other important constructions. First we have nam, nat, and so on, as in ha mínum chòcha, I'm a chef, or Evilu nat teacher, are you a teacher? And secondly, gam, gat, ga, as in ha mi gam feichgin, I'm seeing them, and chanil mi gat chwinging, I'm not hearing you.